Yesterday we went to the wine country, Napa and Sonoma. Those towns are beautiful. And today we're going to do San Francisco and probably again tomorrow. So there's so much to do in San Francisco that I had to do a couple vlogs because we couldn't get it all in. It's such a fun city. There's so much to do. You have Fisherman's Wharf, which is amazing. Pier 39 is full of restaurants and fun zones and stores and unique yummy goodies. You can walk all the way down through the wharf and you end up at Ghirardelli Square, and that's beautiful. You can drive around the city and see the Bay Bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, of course. You can drive down Crooked Street on Lombard Street, which is a great photo op, and it's great that you can still drive down it. You can see the painted ladies, the row houses in the Victorian style. You can drive along the waterfront, go to Chinatown and Little Italy. San Francisco is just one fun city. Stay tuned for my other vlogs because I could only squeeze Fisherman's Wharf into this one, and then you'll see everything else. That's a little fruit market.
That's the one, right?
This is the restaurant we love to eat at. Pier Market. Clam chowder in a sourdough bowl are delicious.
Is this the one?
Yeah.
Like to the patio or inside. Peter was looking at the bay view right there.
So we're at Pier Market. This is our view inside. We usually eat outside. Food is phenomenal here. It's seafood and a mixed bag of everything. It's so good. So we're gonna have lunch. This is really good. There's Alcatraz Island. Well, these are interesting. Little market here. So we took the hour-and-a-half boat ride under the Golden Gate Bridge and around Alcatraz Island, and it was only 20 bucks. Best deal ever. Okay, we're in Boudin. Bowen is a sour bread baking company based out of San Francisco, and they've been baking bread and been here since 1849. It's really good. Oh, those are cute. I love those. They look like they would fit a lot of stuff too. Oh, how much are they? Maybe we should treat ourselves to two. he's making the teddy bears here. How much is the hop on, hop off?
So it's $59 for a one-day pass. So that does 24 hours. So if you bought it now, you'd have it all evening until this time tomorrow.
Okay. The cruise ships dock right in the heart of Fisherman's Wharf, so you can walk around and see everything from there.
Look at this, how pretty. I missed this on the way in.
Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.